In today's video, we're going to show you how to clean your BRG-600 blind rivet gun from Grade A Tools. Today we will be servicing the nose tips and jaws, how to clean and remove your mandrel collector, how to remove and inspect your battery. The items needed for this will be grease, a little bit of oil, a replacement set of jaws if needed, and a straw. You will need no other tools because everything is serviceable by hand. It is well noted, or to be noted, that rivet guns and their nature of their process create metal shavings. These metal shavings must be removed from your tool to keep the tool working properly. It is quick and easy to remove the nose piece and the mandrel collector to make sure that you're servicing your equipment properly. So let's get started. To service the nose piece, we're going to remove your nose piece outer cover. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to look here and make sure that you're cleaning anything that needs to be cleaned here. The next step will be to remove your jaws. You're simply going to pull this back, twist this, and you're going to notice that your jaws are in here like this. To remove the jaws, you're simply going to push them out. Remove your pusher and your spring. You're going to clean anything in here, shavings, dust, whatever. You'll clean it out, making sure you're wearing your goggles if you're going to use your air blower or anything, and then you will reassemble it. Now we're going to reassemble it and show you the fastest, easiest way to do that. Now that we have cleaned all of our parts, we're going to reassemble. The next thing that we're going to do is assemble our jaws. To do this, we're going to take two jaws, put them between your fingers, take the third jaw, dip some grease in it, and put them together, and it will make these things stick together. You will take your nose assembly, you will take a straw, and you'll push everything back, and it will look like this. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your jaw pusher, drop it inside, take your spring, put it in, and then you're going to pull back your retainer, tighten it up, and pull back till it clicks. Then you are ready to install your nose piece. The next thing we're going to do is take just a little bit of lube. We're going to put our nose piece on, our retaining nut, put your battery on, and run a couple of cycles through it, and you're ready to go. To remove your jaw housing, you're going to pull back your slide lock. You'll take this off. When reassembling it, you want to go twist it. You'll notice that it goes past where it will not lock. You'll drop it in, and then you want to turn back until it snaps into place, and now you can reinstall your outer nose assembly. service your mandrel collector, simply remove it, empty your mandrels, shake any dust or shavings out of it. Do the same here, make sure you clean this out. Reassemble it, and you're done. When checking and servicing our batteries, the first thing we want to do is take into consideration whether the battery has been charged or whether maybe the battery has reached its expectancy life, or if there's any other failures that may have occurred, such as a bad charger, damage to the battery, obstruction to the contacts. The first thing that we'll want to do is we'll want to pull the battery off, and we're going to check our contacts, make sure our contacts are clear of anything and that they're intact. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to check our positive and our negative slideways to make sure that they're clear of any obstructions or debris. If the battery is charged, when you test it, it'll show, and you'll see that this one here is fully charged and is ready to go. If you only have 3 bars or 2 bars, the battery can be at the end of its life cycle, or you may have a charger issue. Any of those things are possible because they are batteries. Batteries typically are best used when they're being used frequently. Batteries sitting on a shelf for 4, 6, 8 months, batteries will get a memory, and the batteries could fail due to lack of use and charging.